Hey, welcome to Urgent Care. How can I help you?
Hi, my son needs to see a doctor. I don't feel good. He has a cough and a fever. He says he's sick, but I think he's faking it.
Okay, what was his last temp, man?
I don't know. Caliente?
Yeah, caliente means hot, dude.
Everyone know caliente means hot, dude. I don't know how high. I just use the back of my hand, but I'm a mom and I know.
Lady, the back of your hand is not a thermometer, bruh.
Well, you can check once he's back there.
Well, you got like a hour wait, man.
It's gonna take forever. An hour wait? Okay, kids, I guess we're heading back to the car for a little bit. Call the iPad. No, I want it. Perfect, thanks.
Later, dude.